بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلبة وطالبات شهادة الثانوية العامة قسم رياضيات لغات، أهلا بكم. النهاردة إن شاء الله هناخد مراجعة ليلة الامتحان. مراجعة ليلة الامتحان طبعا في مادة التفاضل والتكامل. طبعا معروف النظام الجديد، النظام الحديث اللي هو نظام البوكلت، حوالي 12 نقطة مالتي تشويس اختيارات، وفي 8 نقط أو 8 مسائل فرعية. طبعا ما نقلقش من نظام البوكلت، هو نفس النظام الامتحانات اللي قبل كده، ولكن محطوط ورقة السؤال مع الإجابة. Welcome my dear student in our math program for secondary 3. Today we are taking final exam. In final exam in calculus and differentiation. Dear student, look at the first example. The first example answers the following questions. If y equals sine 2x cosine 2x, then what is the value of y double dash pi over 3? Choose the correct answer. Number 1, -4. Number 2, 0. Number 3, 4 root 3. Number 4, 8. Dear student, now at the first, we find y dash. After find y dash, find y double dash, or second derivative of y, respect to x. After that, substitution about x equal pi over 3 or equal 60 degrees. Why? Because pi over 3 equals 100 over 3 equals 6 degrees. Look at y equals half sine 4x, then y dash equals 2 cosine 4x. Remember, dear student, we instead y equals half sine 4x. Then y dash equals cosine 4x multiply 2, or 2 multiply cosine 4x. Why? Because differentiation of sine 4x equal cosine 4x, and multiply by 4 times half equal 2 cosine 4x. This is y dash. Therefore, y double dash equals 8 sine -8 sine 4x. Why? Because cosine 4x derivative equal negative sine 4x multiply 4. Don't forget, 4 times 2 or 4 times -2, -8 sine 4x. After that, substitution about x equal pi over 3, then answer is 4 root 3. The correct answer, number 3, 4 root 3. Then y double dash pi over 3 equals 4 root 3. Number 2, f of x equals x e power -2x. Then f dash half equals what? 0, 2, number 2e, number 3e power 2, number 4e power -1. As a first, we find f dash by using first derivative second plus second derivative first, equal e power -2x minus 2 times 2x e power -2x. By substitution about half, then f dash equals 0. Then the correct answer, number 1, equals 0. Number 3, f of x equal x power 2 ln x over a. Then what is the, look at this student, f of x equal x squared ln x over a, d power 3a over dx power 3 at x equals 4 is 1, 2, 4 or half. Look at the solution, dy over dx, differentiation respect to x equals 2x ln x over a multiply inside bracket a over x times 1 over a x power 2. Then answer is 2x ln x over a plus x. d2y over dx square, second derivative by the same method, equal 2 times ln x over a plus a over x plus half x 1 over a x plus 1. Then by substitution 2 times ln x over a plus 1. After that, dear student, d power 3 y over dx power 3 equal 2 multiply bracket contains a over x plus 1 over a equals 2 over x 2 over 4 equals 1 over 2. Then correct answer 1 over 2. The sides of a right triangle with legs x and y and hypotenuse z increase in such a way that dz by dt equals 1 and dx over dt equals 3 dz over dt. If f of x equal x power 2 ln x over a, then d power 3a over dx power 3 equals 1 over 2. At an instant x equals 0 and y equal 3, what is the dx over dt? 1, 5, 2, third. X power 2 plus y power 2 equals z power 2. By using derivative respect to x, do 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt equal to z dz over dt. By substitution, then or divided by 2 each term, then answer dx over dt plus y dy over dt equals z dz over dt. Therefore, by substitution about x, y, and z and dy over dx, then dx over dt equals, in this case, 1. dx over dt equals 1. Then the correct answer is 1. F of x equals x over x minus 2. What is the f triple dash of 3? Dear student, f of x equal x over x minus 2, the required f triple dash or the third derivative of f of x when x equals 3. Number 1, negative 36, number 2, negative 12, number 3, 6, number 4, 4. Choose the correct answer. F dash x equals denominator power 2, denominator times numerator minus numerator times numerator. Answer is negative 2 multiply x minus 2 for all power negative 2. F double dash x equals negative 2 times negative 2, 4, x minus 2, negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. Then f triple dash at x, negative 12 multiply x minus 2 for all power negative 4. Then f triple dash equals negative 12. Answer is, when substitution about x equals 3, negative 12. F of x equal ln x power 2 plus 1 inside bracket power 2 plus e power sine x. What is the f dash x or f dash at x equals 0? Number 1, 1 plus e. Number 2, 1. Number 3, e. Number 4, 0. F dash x by using derivative for x over x power 2 plus 1 plus cosine x e power sine x. Then about x equals 0, f dash x or f dash 0 equals 1. Then the correct answer is equals 1. F of x equals x bar x, then f dash 1 equals what? E number 2 1, number 3 negative 1, number 4 0. Dear student, x power x, then by using len left hand side, right hand side, len y equal x len x, then y dash over y equal len x plus 1, then y dash equals y len x, or x power x len x plus x power x, or multiply by y dash equals, multiply each term by y in left hand side and right hand side, then y dash equal x power x len x plus x power x equals what? Equals 1. Why? Because x power x common, then x plus 1 equals 1. Then the correct answer when x equal 1, f dash 1 equals 1. Body moves on the curve y square equal x power 3. If dx over dt equals 1 over 2 unit per second, when y equals negative 1, then dy over dt at this moment equals what? Space unit per second. Number 1, negative 3/4. Number 2, negative 3 over 8. Number 3, 3/4. Number 4, 3 over 2. Look at when derivative the first or hand side and right side. Left side 2y dy over dt, 3x power 2 dx over dt. Derivative when y square equal x power 3, find the derivative of left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side becomes 2y dy over dt equals 3x power 2 dx over dt. Then when y equals negative 1, at the first x equals 1. Why? Because we have y power 2 equals x power 3. When y equals negative 1, we know that x equals 1. By substitution, left hand side and right hand side, about y equal negative 1, x equals 1, and find dy over dt. By simplest form, find dy over dt equals what? Equals negative 3 over 4. Then the correct answer, dy over dt equal negative 3 over 4. The slope of the tangent of the curve y equal len bracket contains 2 minus root 2 cosine x at x equal pi over 4. What do you mean by over 4? 45 equals what? 1, number 2, 2, number 3, negative 1, number 4, negative 2. Dear student, in this example, we find the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent when y equals len. What do you mean slope of the tangent? Find y dash. What is the first derivative? Equal slope of the tangent at point x equal pi over 4. By using the derivative, look at slope of the tangent y dash equals what? When find the derivative of y, then y dash equal root 2 sine x over 2 minus root 2 cosine x at x equal pi over 4. Then y dash equal root 2 sine 45 over 2 minus root 2 cosine 45. We know that equals 1. Then the slope of the tangent, or dy over dx, when x equal pi over 4 equals 1. If y equal square root e power 2x plus len bracket contains x plus 1, then dy over dx equals what? When x equals 0 is 3 over 2, 1 over 2, 0, or 1. Dear student, dy over dx equal half multiply bracket e power 2x plus ln x plus 1 for all power negative half. Multiply derivative of the inside bracket 2 e power 2x differentiation of ln x plus 1 equal 1 over x plus 1. Then at x equals 0, dy over dx equal half multiply e power 0 ln 1 power negative half multiply 2 e power 0 plus 1. Then dy over dx equal 3 over 2. Answer is 3 over 2. Limit when h tends to 0, cosine pi over 3 plus h inside bracket negative half over h equals what? Half root 3 over 2 or negative 1 over 2 or negative root 3 over 2. Dear student, limit when x equal pi over 3 plus h negative half over h equals limit when h tends to 0, cosine pi over 3 plus h over h half cosine what? Cosine 60. We replace half by using cosine pi over 3. Look at the new form became lim or limit when h tends to 0, cosine bracket contains pi over 3 plus h inside bracket minus cosine pi over 3 over h. Then d over dx cosine x negative sine x negative sine 60 equals what? Negative root 3 over 2. Then the correct answer negative root 3 over 2. If we have f of x equals norm x, absolute x, then what is the integration f of x dx when x from negative 2 to 2 equals what? Choose the correct answer. Negative 1, 2, 0, or 4. Dear student, look at the absolute function, 2 branches, its vertex origin point. Look at the linear function of first and second quadrant represent absolute of x. From negative 2 to 2 equals to integrate of function from 0 to 2. We integrate x as x power 2 over 2 multiply 2. Then by substitution about x equal 2 and about equal 0, the answer is 4. Then the correct answer equals 4. Choose the correct answer. Number 4 equals what? Equals 4. What is the integration from e2 to e 1 over x dx equals what? 1 e 0 ln 2. Look at integration or integrate of function 1 over x dx from e2 to e equals what? Ln x. X is certain. Integrate 1 over x equal ln x. Why? Because derivative of ln x equal 1 over x. We know that integration inverse of differentiation. About x equals to e and e, then ln 2e minus ln e equal ln 2e over E equals ln 2. Then answer is ln 2. When find integrate 1 over x or definite integrate 1 over x respect to dx from E to 2E equals ln 2. What is the integrate negative pi over 2, 2 pi over 2 sine x dx equals what? 0, 2, 1 or 4. Dear student, look at integrate is 2 multiply integrate from 0 to pi over 2 sine x dx. We know that integrate of sine x negative cosine x dx equals what? 2 multiply 1 equals 2. Then answer is 2. Integrate of 1 to definite e squared ln square x over x dx equals what? 7 over 3e squared, 7 over 3, 8 over 3, 4 over e squared. Integrate of ln square x over x dx equals ln x for all power 3 over 3. After that equals ln e power 2 for all power 3 over 3 by substitution about x equal e power 2 minus ln 1 power 3 over 3 equals 2 ln e power 3 over 3 equals what? 8 over 3. Then the correct answer is 8 over 3. If y equal a e power b power x proves that x y y double dash or second derivative plus 2y y dash minus x y dash square equals 0. Solution. Ln y equal ln a plus b over x multiply x by x ln y multiply. If ln y equal ln a plus b over x multiply each term by x. Left hand side is x ln y, right hand side x ln a plus b. Then ln y plus x y dash over x, the derivative of the left hand side, first derivative second plus second derivative first, x its derivative 1. 1 times ln y plus x derivative of ln y equal y dash over x ln a. Then by using simplest form, then y dash over y plus y dash over y, or the second, find the second derivative, then multiply by y power 2 in left hand side, right hand side, then y dash multiply y plus y dash multiply y equal xy dash square equals 0. Find the two dimensions of rectangle which has the biggest area, and it can be drawn inside triangle whose base length is 16 centimeter. Find the two dimensions of a rectangle which has the biggest area, and it can be drawn inside triangle whose base length is 16 centimeter and its height is 12 centimeter, such that one of each side lie on the base of triangle, and the two vertices of the opposite side lie on the two other sides of the triangle. Dear student, to calculate the biggest we model the problem according to the given data and construct. Number 2, determine the variable unknown by letting the rectangle width equal x centimeter and length equal y centimeter and area equal a centimeter square. After that, we form the relation among variables mathematical model as area of rectangle equal length times width or a equal x times y. Look at in the opposite figure, putting mathematical model in one variable, possible. Then y over 16 equals what? AD over AB equals what? 12 minus x over 12. By the same proportion, from similarity, we have similarity of this triangle ADE and ABC. Therefore, y equal 4 over 3 multiply 12 minus x. When x belongs 0, 12, close the interval. This equation, area of a rectangle, length times width, 4 over 3x multiply 12 minus x, length times width, by using area equal f of x, 16x minus 4 over 3, x power 2, this area. Solving mathematics model, derivative both sides of relation to respect to x. Therefore, f dash x equals 16 minus 8 over 3x, f double dash negative 8 over 3. When f dash x equals 0, therefore, x equals 16 minus 3 over 8 equals what? Equals 6. F double dash x smaller than 0, since A has an only critical point when x equals 6 and the second derivative is always negative. Then the critical point gives the absolute maximum value. Therefore, function A has absolute maximum when x equals 6 and y equal 8 over 3 multiply 12 minus 6 equals 8. Rectangle has the biggest area when it's 2 dimension 6 and 8 centimeter. Now we are using of integration technique to integrate ln x power 2 dx. Look at ln x power 2, this is derivative, this is integrate. Ln x power 2 equal dx, 2 over x ln x equal x, by substitution x ln x square minus integrate 2 ln x dx equals what? X ln x for all power 2 minus 2, x ln x minus x equals x ln x for all power 2 minus 2 ln x plus 2 inside bracket plus c. Dear student, by the end of the lesson, my advice is for you, take care with multi-choice examples. Before solve or before choose the correct answer, solve with steps from 1 to 12. After that, solve the correct answer. My dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Goodbye.